I'm hard to handle. So I know you have to handle me in small dosages, and I appreciate you coming back.
All you self-promoters are janky. We established.
Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. Thanks for coming back. It means a lot. I'm hard to handle. So I know you have to handle me in small dosages, and I appreciate you coming back. I'm really sick today. Today we're gonna be doing a get ready with me playlist video. I know this is like basic, but this is all I can handle filming today because as you can hear, I have something going on with my sinuses. I have a headache I've had for the last 2 days. My back hurts. My appetite is in shambles. I feel terrible. So yeah, a lot of the singing in here is going to be bad, and that's because my health is poor right now, and I don't want any comments about it. I know my singing is bad. I don't care, okay? If I cared, I wouldn't sing on camera. Let's start there. Also, the Drake songs, when I mention a Drake song in this playlist, I'm going to have it in the video really shortly because Drake likes to copyright folk, and I need my money. Also, a lot of Drake songs are on my playlist that I didn't play in this video because the less Drake, the better. Even though his music bumps and he's a huge part of my current playlist, he's not about to copyright me. I don't feel like arguing with Drake. Thanks, I guess. Siggity. Siggity. Hospital. It is what it is, man. It's too late for all that love you done. I'm your brother. It's too late for all that. You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you, my one. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. I know I sound terrible. I'm so sorry. I'm so sick. I don't wanna waste no time, yeah. Honestly, you could say whatever you want about Ariana as a person, but girl can sing. She can sing. Say whatever you want about her relationships, her personal life. The one thing you can't do is knock talent. Ever. When all is said and done, you believe God is a woman. I feel it up the midnight. I think Sis snapped on God as a woman, but the song kind of makes me feel weird. I don't know. The song just as a Christian makes me feel weird, but like it's a bop, I guess. Honestly, my queen Lana, love her, stan her. My Instagram name is literally NyraDelRey. Love you, queen. You took my sadness out of context. At the mariner's apartment complex. Okay, wait. We can't play a Lana song like Lana didn't literally snatch Azealia Banks by the neck on Twitter this week, and I'm here for it. I cannot stand Azealia Banks. I think she had it coming, and I'm glad that Lana was the person to give it to her. And you know what? Let's just keep it 100 though. A lot of what we see from celebrities is fake, thought out, planned, and we know that Lana has more music coming out. So I hope that she didn't do that. And I don't think it's like her to do that. She's never really been one to do things for attention, publicity, press. She lets her music and her art speak for herself. She doesn't even like promo or like press or like, you know, promote herself really hard. So I don't think she would do it. But we just have to remember that almost everything we see from these celebrities is fake and planned out and thought out. So just something to think about. Don't look too far, right where you are, that's where I am. I know I sound bad. I don't care. I'm really sick. Head hurts, face hurts, sinuses snapped. See, a lot of the music that I'm into right now is not necessarily new music. Like right now, I'm into new music and throwback music, and it's a vibe. Good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. And I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. There's nothing else to compare. I need you, baby. If it's quite alright, I need you, baby. Oh, pretty baby, let me down, I pray. Oh, pretty baby, now that I found you, stay and let me love you. The day Lauryn Hill decides to start making music again, it's over for everybody else out here. And y'all know that's the truth. So here's the thing about this song. I love Miguel singing the chorus, and I don't like Gold Link, so I don't like the rapping part. All of my friends, and they bad, so it's good, it's enough for. Like, Miguel's, if this was Miguel's song, it would be so much better. I don't like Gold Link. I think he's just corny. I don't like the way he raps, so I just sit through the rap parts so I can get to Miguel's beautiful voice in the chorus again. And I don't dislike him for any personal reason. I just don't like his flow. I don't like the way he raps. His sound isn't for me. Honestly, it's worth it to sit through the verses I don't like to hear. All of my friends. Yeah. All of my guy friends. And they bad, so it's good, it's enough for a clip. If you know me, you know I love all OF members, including Sid, and of course, the internet. I love them now, always have. Home alone for the night, I could turn you on with my dirty mind. Butterflies made me blush. I made you swallow what you want, baby, you decide. And I gotta say, t-shirt designer dream. I know what you like, baby. Can I come over? Come over, you're wasting the time, baby. I would really be like really bopping to this if I wasn't trying to do wing liner. Yeah.
You ready to go?
No.
No?
It's 4:15. I'm getting ready.
Huh?
I'm getting ready.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, he's harassing me. I just want to do my makeup. Wait. I'm filming. I'm filming. You don't want to sit with me while I film?
I would love to, but let me see a shot from here.
Oh my god. Okay. Well, close the door back, please.
Hmm?
Close the door back, please. Like I was saying before I was interrupted, you can never go wrong with Lauryn Hill in your playlist. You know I love you more than me. I know I never will. Oh my god, good wing liner. Is it my birthday? Explain myself. Oh my god, the wing line isn't even. It's okay. It's okay, I'll live. It's okay. Honestly, this is my favorite X song, which is crazy because it came out after he passed. Spotlight, moonlight, why you tripping, just moonlight. Try to look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight, why you tripping, just moonlight. Hold on, let me put on lashes. I'll BRB. Look at me with lashes on. Me without lashes, bad. Me with lashes on, super bad. I can't even. Spotlight, moonlight. Why you tripping, get your moonlight. Try to look good in the moonlight. Spotlight, moonlight. Why you tripping, get your moonlight. Try to look good in the moonlight. So light. Spotlight, moonlight. Who would have thought Bruno Mars, Gucci Man, Kodak Black would have collabed on the same song? Honestly, 2018, this is the best gift you've given me. Smoke till I'm high, castle in the hill. Wake up in the sky, you can't tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. Lady luxury, that's why they all with me. Out here with the move, like I ain't been smooth. You can't tell me I ain't fly. Ooh, like it's vegetable. What did my life? Feel like I could die. That's an underrated lyric right there. So fresh to death is crazy. I feel like I could die. Go off, Kodak.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how we already know. When it's here, my dog will probably do it for Louis Bell.
Let's skip to the end because I'm here for Drake. The regular like middle part of the song is good too, but Drake's part had me out like a light.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I did have a zen. 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light.
Y'all, this my song. This really my song. I really do like Travis's part in the song too, but I just feel like I needed this Drake vibe. Just what I like. That's what I like. I don't know what lip color it is there. Just a different type of leader. We could be in North Korea. I could smoke a whiskey leaf. I know that it won't be long, yeah. So you're gonna call my phone. You'll be like, babe, come over. Too many missed calls, too many texts. This is gonna be a look. Just like super brown nude lip with this clear gloss. It's about to be so cute. So cute. Every time the weekend comes, yeah, I know that it won't be long, yeah. So you're gonna call my phone. You'll be like, babe, come over. I said we should have a date where at the Lamborghini store. Who you gonna leave me for? No me traje. No me baje. Como si fuera la última vez. After Cardi B's part, I stopped the song because Selena Gomez sounds like a girl who is in 9th grade Spanish class and she had to write a bilingual song. Not here for it. Alright guys, thanks for getting ready with me and listening to musica. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave me a like and a comment down below and subscribe for more videos like this one and not like this one because I'm versatile. Polly, running up the stairs. Telling lies?
No, Nyra.
Come here now.
Hell no, Nyra.
I will see you guys in the next video. Muchos besitos.
Phone like, what's up when you try and get this sex from me? You know I don't mean no disrespect, honey. Hey, ain't no gas, you the best, honey. Fine ass in a pic, had to get a text from you. Loving how that go sit on your neck, honey. That gold chain is on your neck. I love the way you dress. Gotta